Hi, my name is Dr. Bill Colmers. I'm a professor of pharmacology and neuroscience at the University of Alberta, and I've been supported by Alberta Innovates Health Solutions and its predecessor, Alberta Heritage Foundation for Medical Research, since 1988 as a professor here. We've been very interested in understanding how come people get obese, but more than that, we're interested in finding out why is it that it's so hard to keep weight off after you've lost it. So our question has involved getting experimental animals fat by choice. Some of them, they choose to eat more and some don't. We can compare the ones that don't get terribly fat over a long period of time on this high-fat diet and the ones that do. And we were able to then study the nervous system of these animals and make comparisons, and we found some very important clues that indicate how this change happens in animals that become fat and those that don't. Because these were litter mates, they were born from the same mother, we had as little variation as possible. And some of these guys, just like your brother that can't stop eating burgers, and the one that will eat just maybe 2 pieces of toast a day, they get fat or not. If you become obese, and you're obese long enough, your body thinks that that's the right weight. And it doesn't know any different. And so when you lose weight, you go on a diet and you do your best and you lose, I don't know, 10 kilograms or something like that. You're very proud of yourself. But then the problem is that you have, your body wants to gain that weight back because the body thinks, or the brain set point thinks, you're sick. There's something wrong with you. So you got to eat to get that right body weight back. Of course, whether that right body weight for your brain is a healthy body weight is the question. What happens in the brain when an animal gets fat and doesn't lose weight when you take it off this high-fat diet? We explored a region of the brain called the paraventricular nucleus, and their neurons there are sensitive to chemical messengers that will make you eat or make you stop eating. What we found was in animals that were fed the high-fat diet and got fat and defended the excess weight when we put them on a diet again, those animals responded perfectly fine to the one that makes you eat, but not to the one that makes you stop eating. Whereas their brothers and sisters who were on the same diet but didn't get fat, their responses to the hormone that makes you eat and the hormone that makes you stop eating were the same. So we think that there's something that changes in that part of the brain which makes them less sensitive to the stop eating hormone. And as a consequence, our further research is going to try and understand out how that changes, where it changes, and why it changes.